M. This is an N, and this is an M.
Yeah.
Red M. Gonna go sleep?
No.
Gonna stay up all night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you wanna... You know who you're gonna see tomorrow? Yeah. Do you know Leanne? Yeah. Remember Leanne? You're gonna play with Leanne tomorrow. Do you know that?
Yeah.
You can draw, and you can watch some videos, and you can eat. Have snacks.
Poo?
Maybe poop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Piggy. Poopy. Pig.
Yeah. Yeah.
Poo.
Yeah, maybe poop.
Piggy.
Maybe piglet. Yeah.
Are you?
Eeyore. Yeah.
Tigger.
Tigger.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Are you?
Eeyore.
Piggy.
Piglet.
Roo.
Roo.
Mama.
Mama. What about Christopher? Christopher. What's his name? Christopher. The boy. What's the boy's name? Christopher.
Running.
Yeah, Christopher Ronin. What about the bird? What's the bird's name? There's a big bird. He's brown.
No.
You know, he talks like this. Oh, yes, Mr. Boo. Yes. Who talks like?
Owl.
Very good.
Owl.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Owl.
Yeah, and who goes hoo 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 hoo? Who does that?
Tigger.
That's right. And who eats a lot of honey?
Poo honey.
Who eats honey? And who's pink? Which one of them is pink? Which one of them is?
Red. Poo red.
Pooh's red, yeah. And Piglet is? Piglet, what color is Piglet?
Pink.
Yes, pink. Good. Pass the quiz.
Yeah.
Yes.
Owl. Owl.
Owl? Do you know what color owl is? What color is owl?
Oh.
You think he's orange?